Landria Unka, founder of DigitalExplorers.net. How are you today? I want to talk today about, well, I have actually four pillars of Digital Explorers. We create planet conscious businesses. I am the coach, the founder, the creator of the course, and it revolves around doing things that feel amazing. So I always talk about the passion. We associate passion with being broke, right? If I love it, I probably am not going to make money doing it, and that couldn't be further from the truth. You have to learn how to monetize that, and I teach that. But let's talk about the second step, purpose. We always say, why? What's my why? I hear that. What's my why? Why am I doing this? Well, I'm going to talk a little bit different about that purpose. Because most people, why is so that I can make money to do all these things, to travel, to have freedom, to do all this stuff. For me, that's not a why. So in other words, we're sort of bypassing what you're doing to get all that stuff. So I see students, entrepreneurs, doing things that they have no real connection to, no passion for. Their why is to make money with this, to get to this over here, and that is the worst possible formula. It is. Because you're going to go, okay, I don't like what I'm doing, but I'm going to make money so that I can have this life. The purpose should be how you're making money. That's it. And that's how billionaires get made. Their why is what they're doing, not doing this to get to that. They love what they're creating. They love what they're putting together. They're passionate about things. Now, you can say, not all of them, but they're passionate about whatever it is they're going into. They don't just randomly pick it because they say, oh, I can make money doing this. There's a strategy behind those things. Even when they pick stocks or portfolios, there's a strategy, there's thought behind it. They don't just say, hey, I can sell books on KDP. There's no thought behind that. How many books do you have to sell and get a 10% commission? To make anything worthwhile, to live that life, it's not going to happen. But nobody's thinking that far. So at Digital Explorers, we actually have a business strategy. I treat you like a real business person. All these things you're going to do, is it going to create the income that you want? But while we're doing it, there's a purpose in that. Not to get to here. The purpose is, why am I selling these things? Why am I coaching, promoting products, whatever? Why am I creating this? I want to make a difference. I want to be healthy. I want to help other people how to overcome grief or sadness or heal themselves or purchase products that are sustainable and good for themselves and the planet. I want to help people get motivated. The why is in what you are doing for a living. And you should own it. That's a whole other discussion that, okay, great. Affiliate marketing is wonderful. I have no problem with that. I think it's amazing. However, that's a secondary income stream. What are you doing? What's that purpose for it? What are you trying to accomplish out there? What's that positive impact it's going to have? Start with that, and then we'll monetize all of it. All right? So never do this to get to your why. That should be your why. I hope this makes sense. And if you're interested, I have a free webinar. And I have more coming out. I'm going to do some free training here coming up shortly as of this video. We're going to talk more about this because I don't think people are thinking it through, especially if you've never been online, as long as I have, over a decade. And the ups and downs that come with that, you start to figure out what works and what doesn't, and I teach that to my students. Do you want to learn more about that? If you're not in my email list already, come on aboard. Watch my free webinar, and we're going to talk more about the true success formula online that feels really good, and it's going to change our planet. We should place others first, because when we do that, what you give, you receive. It's going to feel amazing. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.